My name is Kgaukgakala Rabaloni. I'm coming from Republic of Botswana, which is in Southern Africa.
Okay, my name is Krisi Potsiou. I'm a surveying engineer. I'm from Greece. I represent the International Federation of Surveyors. Currently the president of the International Federation of Surveyors.
My name is Krisentia Mufugeng. I'm the regional representative for Building and Woodworkers International for Africa and Middle East region.
My name is Christopher Decky. I am here primarily to represent the UN Major Group for Children and Youth, which is the official UN youth platform for youth engagement and children engagement in youth policy, in UN policy processes.
This is Birnadia Irawati Chandradewi. I'm the Secretary General of UCLG ASMAC, United Cities and Local Governments for Asia Pacific region.
Well, my name is Enrique Silva. I'm the Senior Research Associate for Latin America and the Caribbean program at the Lincoln Institute of Land Policy, which is based in Cambridge, Massachusetts, the United States.
Hi, my name is Jackie Chu and I work at World Vision International.
Basically, we are here to learn and to share some ideas with other countries to see what is it that they've done in terms of habitat issues, what is it that we can take home, and also share some of our experiences.
Yeah, I'm here as a participant, but also to ensure that we put our views forward to PrepCom, that we are here. We would like to be involved in the preparations as one of the stakeholders representing workers and trade unions. In this process that has to be inclusive of all the voices that come from civil society, but also from government and non-governmental organizations.
The Lincoln Institute is very eager to participate as formally as possible in the preparations towards Habitat 3, and in particular participating in the process of defining the New Urban Agenda, and also within that interest in making sure that issues of land and land policy are included in this document.
The reason why I came to this place, I just became because of WICO. The WICO has organized us as women who are in the grassroots, so they had not to left us behind. Because we are the women who are doing business in the grassroots. And we women, we know the problem the women were facing in our places of work. That's why I have decided to come this meeting and go to present our women in Kenya.
We are here because surveyors contribute a lot to urban management, and we provide the spatial information, updated spatial information for good governance, but also we provide the land tools, fit-for-purpose land tools for the future that we want.